In this video, we're going to look at how to distinguish between different types of alcohols. So let's take a look at the simplest type of alcohol, which is this, where you only have one CH3 connected to an OH. Now, if I go ahead and remove the hydrogens from the carbon and just draw them out, you can see that this is the main part that makes up the alcohol. So in this case, when there's only 3 hydrogens connected to this little alcohol piece, and notice carefully the OH is connected to a carbon, then this is called a methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. Now, excuse me, it's called a methyl alcohol because really that CH3 out there is a methyl group, therefore methyl alcohol. And now progressively you'll see as I replace each one of those hydrogens with a carbon, so let's, for the sake of this discussion, let's replace this hydrogen with a CH3 or this with a CH3 or this with a CH3. Let's see how that changes the dynamic, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and draw that out here. So COH, and then I'll keep the hydrogen on top and below, and then I'll replace just this one with a CH3. And I'll write it out a little properly so that you're not confused. As you can see, that is the alcohol part, and as you can see, there's a CH3, only one CH3 connected to this part. So only one carbon connected to this, and that one carbon, because of that one carbon connected to that, it's called a primary alcohol, or 1 degree, okay? Now, if I replace another hydrogen, so I'm going to replace this hydrogen with a CH3, watch what happens. CH3, CH3, and H, and so there's the alcohol part, and then you have the CH3 and the CH3. See, 2 carbons connected to that alcohol part. So therefore, this is the secondary alcohol. So therefore, that's a 2 degree alcohol. And the third case, I'm going to go ahead and replace the third hydrogen. So COH, CH3, CH3, CH3. And I have 3 carbons connected to this alcohol piece. Therefore, that is a tertiary alcohol, also known as a 3 degree alcohol. So that kind of sums up how to distinguish between 3 types of the 4 types of alcohols.